We will also be chucking off these old steel rims and putting on a brand new A-line mag with a heavy duty load rating. There's a lot of advantages to this. Aluminium rim will always run a bit cooler, having a bigger flange to mount on, and let's be honest, it looks cool.
We're using a big tire, and on the spare wheel especially, when fitting the spare wheel on the companion, some of the other caravans also got it. It's got a little bracket that you can adjust the depth of how the spare wheel sits. But you can also use a spacer like that to bring the wheel out a little bit to make the spare wheel fit properly. Okay, so we're using 265/75/16s with a 0 offset rim. The problem is, between my hub and that area there, there's almost a centimeter space. Right at the back here, the tire is already against the back there, and the spacer must still be set. I'm not a fan of spacers on my main tires, on my axles at all. And as far as you can, just stay away from it. Just don't even go there. But for a spare wheel, spacer is fine. Let's fit the spare wheel quickly.
Conqueror, your adventure starts today.